Hope you're all doing safe. Welcome to our channel, AlampanaTV. Today I'm back with a sweet tooth.
Hi.
I need something cold and really sweet. But what shall I make or eat? I really don't know. What shall I?
Do you have cake?
Yeah, but that's not cold, is it?
How about juice?
No, it's cold, but not in my taste buds today.
How about ice cream?
Ice cream, yeah, but we don't just have to ask Genie to bring us ice creams. Why don't we make ice cream? Yeah, we're gonna ask Genie to give us the ingredients to make ice creams. Hey Genie.
Hi. Alampana.
Today we were wondering if we could make some ice cream and you could help us too. So the ice cream should be real yummy, obviously, and also everybody in this world would love this ice cream and everybody would want to try it. It couldn't be too hard, too easy, but just right. Would you please help us? Genie!
Thank you, Genie.
Yeah, there is only 3 ingredients. What am I supposed to do with them? I have no clue.
There's only 3 ingredients. That's really super easy.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 ingredients, simple. But I have absolutely no idea, no clue what I'm supposed to do. Oh, Genie forgot something. Oh, silly Genie. He forgot the bowls. Genie, get us some bowls. Whoa, didn't see that coming. Now let's see what we've got. We've got some double cream, some condensed milk, and also my favorite, Oreo cookies. We have put the bowl in the freezer for some time so we can whip the double cream properly. Let's make the ice cream together. First, we'll put in the double cream. Whoa, finally done. What's next? Genie, can you help me open the can? Cool, thanks, Genie. Not all of it, just some. It depends how much sweetness you want. Now, give it a little mix. Dion, do you want to help me mix?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it a little mix. All the strength you've got. I'm gonna mix it a little more. Yeah, now let's break the cookies. You can keep on mixing, Dion.
It's super smelly too. It smells like chocolate too.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, that's just because of the Oreos. That's why it smells like chocolate. Try get it smaller so we can just put it in the ice cream. Not just big chunks, tiny little pieces. I've broken more biscuits now.
Can I have a biscuit one? This smells very good.
Dion, I need them for the decorations. But just for now, I'll give you a sneaky little bit. Now I'll mix them a little more and I'll add in the Oreo biscuits. Oh, looks like a chocolate fountain there. Fountain of biscuits. Now mix it well. Ooh. It looks like the cream you find inside the Oreo, doesn't it? It's nearly done. We'll have to put it in a different container to put in the freezer for 6 hours. Let's put it in the container. I filled the container. Now we're putting some cookies for decorations. Before we put it in the freezer, we have to cover the container in cling. It's done and time to put in the freezer. After 6 hours, I took it out the freezer. It looks so good. Just looking at it now makes my mouth water. Wonder when I eat it, there'll be a whole swimming pool of drool. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Now, let's eat together. Genie, bowls please. Thanks, Genie. Just looking at it now, I just want to eat it. Don't you, dear?
Yeah.
It looks so yummy. And these bowls came super fast. I didn't even see them at first. Tasting time.
Give me some ice cream or else I will give a hug smash.
Dion, we'll have some ice cream. In we, I mean you and me, not Hulk. I'll give Hulk some later. Let's taste. It's so nice. I really love the crunch of the Oreo. And I didn't know that the ice cream we make at home would be so tasty. It is so nice. And I never knew whipping cream tastes so good. This is a new learning and also a very tasty learning. Is it nice?
Yeah.
What do you like most about it?
How about the chocolate?
The Oreo.
Yeah.
I think you got the chocolate because the cream inside is chocolate flavor. If you're trying this at home, you can have any type of Oreo, chocolate, normal or mint. It'll taste fantastic. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up with amazing videos and also magical recipes from the Genie. Bye. It's all your vibe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos from the Genie.